Okay, hello everyone. In this video, we will review about the practical for the topic use of proximity sensor in pneumatic system for the module 6. Now, uh, for the outline or objective practicum uh, last week. Uh, First, we understanding the principle how inductive and capacitive proximity sensors work in system pneumatic. Second, applying proximity sensor to control actuator. Here, a valve or a piston via PLC. And third, practical work with analysis and design radar diagram accordingly need system. Okay, for the general question general, what difference fundamental between inductive and capacitive proximity sensor? Uh, Here we can look at the image for the inductive sensor and capacitive sensor. Proximity sensor uh, is a sensor that can detect existence something object without contact physical. If the proximity sensor detect touch here, we will uh, detect existence and send the data with PLC. And the sensor rods used in automotive industry for detect position, count amount product or as a non-contact limit switch. The sensor have the much can use for the industry automation. Now, common types of proximity use. Inductive use for detect object metal. Principal work, product medan, electromagnetic. If there is metal entered to medan say inductance change and the sensor emits signal. Example, detect position of the metal position in the cylinder pneumatic. For the capacitive use for detect object metal and non-metal, wood, plastic, liquid, and edge. Uh, Principal work, sensor, forming medan capacitive. If there is object with constant dielectric different input, capacitance change and the sensor emits signal. Example, detecting material levels, uh, powder or liquid in a container. Okay, here we have the leader PLC, and now we will open the GXP. If you have notification like this, you can click exit. Okay, here the first one step you can click new file and new folder. You can make the name for your device name. Maybe you can module 6. Okay, change the device. For the practicum we use CP1L and network type for the connect laptop to PLC, use the USB and you can click OK. Now here the interface works. You can make the leader PLC here like this. The first one you can make PCB on, PB on, to contact 000, enter PB, PB on, enter. Okay. Next you can use the here contact here, PB off, 01, PB off. Okay, and you can make the coil W000 and system. Okay, make again system here, switch for the system, 00W000 in enter system. Okay, now you can wiring here, use here. Okay, for the one section you done, we done, and make the sensor proximity. For the sensor proximity, make system here, W0 system, okay, and sensor proxy here, 002, no, 002 sensor proxy, like this, proxy, proximity, like this. And you will make the coil again for the output proxy, output proxy, enter. Right now the www001 out proxy. Okay, now you can wire in here. Done. Next, sensor or the timer. Can make here 003 switch timer, switch timer, enter. System, make the system here, 00 W000 system, enter. And here out proxy, yes, here out proxy, W001, enter. And this timer T000, T000, enter. Timer W002, W02, timer, okay. Now you can wire in here and timer here. Here, timer W002, enter, and wiring here, and next this here. TIM 0000 5G, enter, timer. Okay, not here, the nah, okay, done. Next, maybe for the input switch oh, 004, enter, switch chain, and the system W00, enter, out proxy W01 and GNT C000 GNT. Okay, and next you can make the timer GNT here. T001, enter, timer GNT. Okay, and can you make here T000, enter GNT. Maybe you can get here. Now we will make a counter here. GNT, okay. GNT 00 1. GNT, okay. And here, okay. TM 0001 5T, enter, okay. And you can wiring, okay. Make here wiring this it's wrong here W03 and GNT okay. Okay, the last step, system here W0 and dimmer W02 and GNT W003 and GNT again W03 and dimmer and wrong dimmer W02 and here W03 GNT and coil 107 comment outfall, okay, outfall, enter, and now we can wiring here, wiring, no, that's here and here, okay. finish. And for the last step, we can uh, start simulation. If you click true, system on, and sensor proximity true, auth proxy on. Okay, timer switch you can click on, and here for the 5 minute and now 5 second can run and switch on here, but okay, can close and can through here can system timer. Okay, maybe like this. For the ladder diagram, or make ladder diagram, and I hope we will learn about like this for the next session. And can you stop the running here? Click here. Okay, maybe like this my video, and the last I say thank you very much.